It's Caitlin recording, and it is 11:33, and we're going to go watch AJ sleep. Come on, let's go. Shh, be very quiet. It's rough when you're chasing rabbits. There we go. Leave me alone. We are going to lay down with her.
Shh, we're hunting rabbits.
We're going to go and lay down with her. And that's a sleep.
Oh, God. She's a cranky rabbit.
You go away. Come on.
Get off of me, sisterly love. I don't love you.
You don't love me.
We have this on camera.
I don't love you in the mornings. It's too early.
It's 11:34.
I don't care.
Whose hairspray is this?
Mine.
You better not spray me.
It's empty. Earthquake! That's a lot of hairspray.
And now she can't move because I hairsprayed her.
Conclude this segment of what was that? What was it?
I don't know.
Okay, we'll conclude this segment. You have 57 seconds. 56, 55, 54.
And that concludes our announcement.